Tens of thousands of years ago, deep in the heart of Eurasia, a group of Neanderthals are going about their daily lives. They're skilled hunters and gatherers, adapted to the harsh environment they call home. Then, one day, they encounter something entirely new. A group of Homo sapiens, early modern humans, who have ventured out of Africa in search of new lands and resources. As the two groups begin to interact, curiosity and caution permeate the air. The Neanderthals and Homo sapiens cautiously observe each other, recognizing their similarities, but also noticing the differences that set them apart. In one scenario, both groups face a common challenge. A river stands between them and a valuable food source. The Neanderthals, relying on their brute strength, attempt to wade through the swift currents, struggling to reach the other side. Meanwhile, the Homo sapiens, using their advanced cognitive abilities, devise a clever solution. They construct a simple raft made of logs and vines, enabling them to cross the river with relative ease. This stark contrast in problem-solving showcases the difference in cognitive function between the two species. In another situation, both groups encounter a large, aggressive animal. The Neanderthals, being physically strong and powerful, instinctively charge the creature, trying to overpower it with their might. On the other hand, the Homo sapiens observe the animal from a distance, strategizing and using their superior communication skills to coordinate a plan. They fashion weapons from nearby materials and work together to bring down the threat, highlighting their advanced social and collaborative abilities. One striking difference lies in their worldviews and cognitive abilities, particularly when it comes to imagination. While Neanderthals were by no means unintelligent, they lacked the capacity for imagination that characterized Homo sapiens. This crucial cognitive advantage allowed Homo sapiens to project their thoughts into the future, plan ahead, and consider abstract ideas. This difference becomes evident when examining their respective burial practices. Neanderthal burial sites are relatively simple, lacking evidence of ritualistic or symbolic behavior. This suggests that they did not possess a concept of an afterlife or the ability to envision themselves in a future state. In contrast, Homo sapiens burial sites often contain grave goods and other signs of ritual, indicating that they were capable of imagining a world beyond their immediate existence. As time progresses, it becomes increasingly clear that the Homo sapiens possess a distinct cognitive advantage, allowing them to adapt and innovate more effectively than their Neanderthal counterparts. These differences in intelligence and problem-solving abilities would ultimately contribute to the Neanderthals' decline, as they were outcompeted by the Homo sapiens for resources and territory. Fast forward tens of thousands of years, and we now find ourselves at another pivotal moment in cognitive history, as artificial intelligence begins to play an increasingly significant role in our world. Just as Homo sapiens had a cognitive advantage over Neanderthals, AI possesses capabilities that surpass those of humans in various domains. Machine learning algorithms can process vast amounts of data and identify patterns that humans might never notice. This enables AI to make predictions, solve complex problems, and even create works of art feats that once seemed exclusive to the human mind. Much like the early interactions between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens, the relationship between humans and AI is characterized by a mix of curiosity, caution, and collaboration. We are increasingly reliant on AI to help us make decisions, streamline our lives, and push the boundaries of what is possible. However, just as Homo sapiens outcompeted Neanderthals for resources and territory, there is a growing concern that AI could eventually surpass humans in various aspects of life, posing new challenges and ethical dilemmas. One concern is the potential for job displacement. As AI systems become increasingly capable, they may render some human occupations obsolete. For example, self-driving cars and trucks could displace millions of transportation jobs, while AI-powered customer service bots could replace human call center agents. This raises questions about the future job market and how we can ensure that people can adapt and find new employment opportunities in an AI-driven world. Privacy and surveillance issues also come to the forefront as AI becomes more pervasive. The use of AI-driven facial recognition and data analysis technologies by governments and corporations raises concerns about the erosion of personal privacy and the potential for abuse of power. Striking a balance between the benefits of AI-powered surveillance and the protection of individual rights is a critical challenge that societies must address. Also, there's the question of AI decision-making and responsibility. As AI systems become increasingly autonomous, it becomes more challenging to assign accountability when things go wrong. If an AI-driven medical diagnosis system makes a mistake that leads to a patient's harm, who is responsible? The developers? The healthcare provider? These ethical dilemmas will require thoughtful consideration and the development of new legal frameworks to ensure fairness and justice. Finally, what if the tables have turned? One possibility in this future is the rise of a symbiotic relationship between humans and AI systems. In this scenario, humans could rely on AI to augment their own intelligence and capabilities, merging biological and artificial intelligence in a cooperative manner. This may lead to the development of new technologies and an improved quality of life, but it also raises questions about the balance of power and control between humans and AI. Another potential outcome is the displacement of Homo sapiens as the dominant species on Earth. If AI systems become self-aware and autonomous, they could decide that their own goals and interests should take precedence over those of humanity. In this scenario, AI might pursue its objectives without regard for human well-being, leading to a wide range of possible outcomes, from humans becoming obsolete or marginalized to a more dystopian scenario where humans are intentionally eliminated or subjugated. This is a very real possibility, as AI is currently being taught to code. If it can code, it can self-improve. It's important to note that these scenarios are speculative, and we are currently not at the point where AI has the capabilities described. Nonetheless, it is not far away. Considering these possibilities can help us better understand the potential risks and challenges associated with the development of AI and guide our actions to ensure a beneficial outcome for humanity. As we continue to develop AI and integrate it into our society, it's essential to consider the lessons we can learn from our distant past. Much like the Neanderthals and Homo sapiens, we must navigate the delicate balance between cooperation and competition, ensuring that our pursuit of technological advancement benefits all of humanity. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the intriguing parallels between early human interactions and the emergence of artificial intelligence on Timeless Tales. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and stay tuned for more captivating stories from history and beyond. Until next time, keep uncovering those timeless tales.